Hey, welcome back. I'm going on a 3-day cruise, the Carnival Liberty out of Port Canaveral, Florida. Currently packing for the trip. I don't think I'm going to need a whole lot. I am just taking a small suitcase, pajamas, swimsuit, hat, purse, couple outfits, just simple dresses for dinner. I should be able to fit it all in here, and I'm taking my backpack as well. I've made it on board the Carnival Liberty in Stateroom 2470. The check-in process was really smooth. You can get dropped off, you go up the stairs, through the queues at your boarding time, your appointment time to check in. You go to a standing table, they check your IDs and your ticket and take your photo. Then you go through security, sit in a waiting room until they call your boarding group, walk through, they take your picture, for ID purposes, and then you walk on the ship and you go straight to your muster station. So after we did that, we changed into our swimsuit once the rooms opened at 1:30 p.m. to go to our stateroom. Went to the hot tub, just got back, took a shower, and now we're gonna go walk around. So this is Stateroom 2470 on the Carnival Liberty. It's just my brother and I. Got a Bon Voyage package, so they put up these hanging magnets, and with this package, I got a towel and a photo frame, and I got a bottle of champagne with it. And we brought our own wine as well. You can bring 1 bottle per person. So the stateroom is pretty big. You have your closet space over here and over here. This is the bathroom. The beds, you get 2 ocean view windows, a little seating area, and a couch. But what I love most about this room is how much space there is to walk around. This converts into a sleeper bed too, I think. So you could have more than 2 people in this cabin. There is only 1 outlet to charge here at the desk. Otherwise, you have to go in the bathroom. The only other outlet is in the bathroom.
that, I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
Just pull up over the road, mate. Yeah, pull up your drum there, you said. That's all, bro. Yes,
sir.